All right, this is Unit 2. We will multiply and divide fractions. The first objective is to have students to write mixed numbers as improper fractions, to find factors and to find prime factors, write fractions in lowest terms, multiply and divide fractions, and multiply and divide mixed numbers. So the things that you want to work through are these 8 steps. You need to first take your Unit 2 pre-test in My Math Test, and you'll see the course calendar for the due dates for everything in this unit. I suggest that you print it off if you haven't already to start marking through this and keeping track of everything. Also in the start here, there's a video to show you how to find your pre-test, how to find the study plan, and how to find your post-test in My Math Test. So step 1, or first task to be completed, is to take your pre-test for Unit 2 in My Math Test. The second thing is you need to watch the lecture videos that are found under the lecture video and notes right here in this green book. You can click on this and you can see all of our lecture videos for this chapter, or this unit, over here on the left side. And so there are several of them here that I've highlighted under the table of contents. After you've watched the lecture videos, make sure that you're taking notes while you are working and watching those lecture videos. You can also click on My Lecture Notes, which are found in this little folder here called Unit 2 Lecture Notes. You can see each one of the PDFs for this course or for this unit are found here. You just click on one and you can see my handwritten notes. The third thing that you want to do, the fourth thing is you need to work through any of the additional resources found down here at the bottom, the additional and optional resources for Unit 2. And so each one of these correspond to something that you should be learning in this course or in this unit specifically. Those are there just for additional. You won't be getting a grade for any of those, but those are definitely helpful when you are working through this unit. The next thing that you want to do is you need to work through your study plan. So you've already watched the videos, you've taken notes, and now you're ready to start working on what we would call homework. But this is your study plan. The study plan is in My Math Test, and it is created from how you do on your pre-test. So if you'll take this, make sure you have these problems done by what the due date is listed in the course calendar. You're going to repeat these steps for every single one of these lecture topics. Lectures 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.7, 2.8 for this unit. The last thing that you want to do by the deadline that is given in the course calendar is to take the post-test. What number 7 says is that you are allowed to take your pre-test again as a practice test before you're taking your post-test, which is actually for a grade. So your pre-test is graded on the first time that you've taken it by the deadline. If you take it again an additional time, that is not helping you or hurting you in any way other than helping you prepare for your test. But you're not going to hurt your grade or help your grade for your pre-test in any way if you take this again right before you take your post-test. So again, here's your assignments. The discussion forum is also due. It's over Unit 2. I would say start on some of your study plan and then work on your discussion forum, as they are the same. You need to be able to write problems that you're struggling with in your forum and ask for help from some of your fellow classmates, as well as help others on their problems. Remember that these 3 right here, the Unit 2 pre-test, study plan, and post-test, are just placeholders. All of these are taken in My Math Test. So if you have any questions, please contact your instructor.